There is a common question that comes from the parents that why my child doesn't report whatever happens in school or doesn't tell me whatever happens with him in any other place, or describe things like a party or wherever we go, he doesn't describe what happened there. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Sonam Kothari. I'm a pediatric neurologist, a behavior analyst and a special educator. So this is basically lacking descriptions or lacking reporting. Now, the parents needs to understand where my child is and at what age this skill comes and when this skill comes. So, it's a language skill that usually starts coming up by 3.5 to 4 years of age in a routine normal neurotypical development. So 3.5 to 4 years of age, they will start describing, they will start reporting a bit, they will start telling stories what happened with them in some other place. Like, I went to park, the dog came, he pushed me, I fell down. Like this small stories they will start making up by 4 years of age. Now, when a child comes for therapy, the child might be verbal, might be non-verbal, and suppose the child is non-verbal and just started verbalizing. That means the child started verbalizing, maybe requesting in a single word or requesting in 2 words. This development is actually, the developmental age of this child is around 1.5 to 2 years of age. As I told, the reporting comes at 4 years of age. So, though the child's age might be 6 years of age, but the development of the child is still 2 years of age. You cannot expect this child to do a reporting because he doesn't have that skill of reporting yet. Once he becomes 2.5, 3, 3.5, he will start reporting by himself. The skill will be taught to him with time. So the parents needs to realize that, or to understand where my child is, which developmental age the child lies in. If the developmental age of the child is 3 years, 3.5 years, he might not be able to report. We have to teach him the reporting skills and then slowly he will start reporting. Always remember, a child develops language in a particular pace. He learns 1.5 years of language, then 2 years of language, 2.5 years of language, and reaches 4 years of age. Expectation of the parent of having a child with a developmental age of 2 years and he should be able to report that is of 4 years is not possible. It might take time to reach that step. Be consistent, continue therapy, learn from them, start teaching the child. Once he reaches that stage, he will start doing it. Just have patience so that the child starts reporting or answering from memory.